Cheers from Antique Toys. We've got creepy toys, and we're not afraid to use them. Stay tuned for all the creepy toys that have come in recently, the things that may disturb you in the middle of the night. Let us be disturbed and creeped. Roly Polys. God knows what Roly Poly French toy. The It Clowns. How about an angry rabbit? This one's kind of cool. Still can call him creepy. How about a Barney Google? That's right, he doesn't have a jaw. Chicken Snatcher by Marx. Not too sure if this is possessed or not. Check out the red eyes. No, I love my J.E. Stevens toys. But when a doll is about 150 years old, it just looks kind of, well, creepy. But it's creepy cool. We have a rabbit duck beast that flaps, but it's made out of rabbit hair. How about this great looking lamb chop man? Creepy Casper. Yes, that's right. It's Monkey in a southern yellow uniform. How about a lady beating up? I mean, how about a lady hurting a goose? Is that creepy? Is that creepy? It grows on me. How about this man? How about an octopus? Or squid? Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys.